Ian here, reporting on Roofing Logistics Incorporated, a Diamond certified roofing contractor serving residential and commercial clients throughout the Greater Bay Area. Our Diamond certified research shows that President Jose Guerrero and his team provide a full range of roofing services, from repairs and maintenance to complete replacements. They have the training and equipment to work on all types of roofing systems, including tile, metal, and asphalt shingle. Roofing Logistics was founded in 2013 with a commitment to quality and hands-on leadership. The company is known for its detail-oriented business practices, like replacing flashing rather than reusing old materials and selecting underlayments based on the specific needs of each roof. Mr. Guerrero says that this careful approach helps clients protect their warranties and avoid future repairs. Roofing Logistics also believes in educating its clients about their options, from modern roofing materials to energy-efficient systems and Title 24 requirements. By providing detailed proposals and clear communication, the company helps property owners feel confident about their investments. That's our report on Roofing Logistics, where, as Mr. Guerrero says, they're committed to excellent service, reliability, and customer satisfaction. I'm Ian Leary, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.